Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn It Bro. Let's go into today's topic. Today's topic is a useful topic. If you're traveling to Maldives with your friends and families and relatives, or you yourself is traveling to Maldives as a tourist, what all guidelines you need to follow. Today in this video, we will discuss. For Maldives, if you're traveling, you will get on arrival visa. For that, you need to have a valid return ticket and you need to hold a valid hotel confirmation, and also you need to carry the other necessary documents. That all we are going to discuss in this video. You need to carry your fully vaccination certificate. You should have completed both the dose of vaccine, either Covishield or Covaxin, and you should have completed 14 days, and you need to carry the proof for the same with QR barcode. And you need to carry your negative PCR certificate issued within 96 hours from the departure time. It should be with QR barcode. The RT-PCR certificate must contain these all things: name as per passport, name and address, testing laboratory, sample collection date, and everything. And customer traveling for the purpose of tourism must have a confirmed reservation at a resort. The resort, which all resort you can book, I will give you the link in the below. I will show you in the below page. And the tourist who are not vaccinated, fully vaccinated, they cannot stay on the inhabited island. There is a part in Maldives called inhabited island. It's an area, I think, where majority of people gather. I think on that particular island you would not be able to visit unless you are not vaccinated. Tourists intending to check in at tourist facilities in inhabited island do not complete the prescribed dose of COVID-19 will be allowed to check in facilities that comply to the following criteria. So please, if you are fully vaccinated, then only you can visit all the tourist spot in Maldives, and inhabited island you cannot visit if you are not fully vaccinated. And list of resorts and islands can be found on this particular link. I will give you the description of this Indigo link. You can click there and you can book your resort, and you should hold a valid return ticket. And it is applicable for all travelers who is traveling India to Maldives and return from Maldives to India. They need to go on this immigration link of Maldives and they need to fill up their details, upload the necessary documents, and they need to obtain the QR barcode. It is both while departing from India and also while departing from Maldives. You need to do this formality within 24 hours from your departure time and obtain QR barcode by updating the necessary information and uploading all the necessary documents and updating the information. You need to obtain the QR barcode though. So the simple formality is you need to have a valid return ticket, you need to have a confirmed hotel reservation. The reservation link also I have given you, in which all resort you can book your stay, and you need to hold your valid vaccination certificate for both the doses. You need to carry your negative PCR certificate, and you need to complete this immigration form both while departing from India and while returning from Maldives, and you need to obtain the QR barcode. So today's video was useful, I think. So kindly share it with your friends and families. Please keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.